How to verify your age on Google. If Google is asking you to confirm your age, you can complete the verification using an ID, credit card, or in some cases, a selfie. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer. Search for Google Age Verification. Look for the official Google support page about verifying your age and open it. Now, scroll down until you find Verify You're Old Enough to Manage Your Account. Tap Verify Your Age. Google will show you the available verification methods, such as a government-issued ID, credit card, or selfie, depending on your account and region. Choose your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions. If you're using an ID, you may need to allow camera access and take a clear photo of your identification document. Review the information and submit it for verification. Google will then process your request and may send you an email once the verification is complete. The verification time can vary depending on the method and your situation, so just follow the instructions shown on your screen. And that's how you can verify your age on Google. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful Google tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.